Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to send a voice message on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to add a personal touch to your conversations or simply prefer speaking instead of typing. So today I'm going to show you how to send a voice message on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, find the chat where you want to send a voice message. Once you have selected the chat, you will see a microphone icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Press and hold on this microphone icon to start recording your voice message. While holding the icon, speak your message. You can record a voice message for as much as you like. If you want to cancel the recording, swipe your finger to the left of the screen. Now, to send the voice message, release the microphone icon. Once you release it, the voice message will be sent immediately to the recipient. However, if you want to listen to the voice before sending it, simply swipe your finger upward, and here you can review your voice message before sending it. There you go. If you wanted to know how to send a voice message on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to send a voice message on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.